Director of the Lorenzo Mission Institute, the Reverend Monsignor Noni A. Ken LRS.
The Holy Father, Pope Francis, cordially imparts the apostolic blessing to Reverend Father Robert James McConaughey on the occasion of his 50th anniversary of his prestigious ordination, invoking the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary, an abundant of divine graces. Congratulations, Father. Father Bob was truly surprised. He thought it was my message. I am not yet the holiness. I'm only Father who's here. Okay. Thank you, Father Bob, and we love you. Thank you, Father Bob.
Thank you, Monsignor Noli, to the people who have helped us in gaining the people blessing for our dearly beloved Father Rob. Let's give him a big round of applause.